students, I hope that you all are fine at home. In my first video, I have told you about what are homophones. Now in this video, I am going to discuss about determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are the words which we are using to modify the meaning of a noun. It usually precedes a noun. ये noun से पहले आते हैं. Some determiners are used with only singular nouns and others are used with only plural noun. And many determiners we are using with both singular and plural noun. So let us discuss various categories of determiners. So as we have discussed that determiners are words we use with nouns to help us limit or modify the meaning of a noun. So let's take an example. An ostrich. An is determiner, which is an article, and our house. Our is determiner. So some determiners are used with only singular noun. Example, each basket. Basket is here singular noun and each is determiner. And several baskets. Baskets is plural noun and several is determiner. Now next, like the determiner is used with both the nouns. Singular noun tomato and plural noun tomatoes. No is used with both the nouns. Singular noun solution and solutions plural noun. No is determiner. Now first type is articles. First is indefinite articles which is having a or n. Indefinite article में a और n आता है and we are using this indefinite articles with generalization. That means, example, there is a duck in a pond. So a is determiner, that is article, and an eagle has a yellow beak. Again, an here is used indefinite article. Means very simple sentences where generalization is there, we are using indefinite articles. Now second type of article is definite article, and the comes under definite articles. What is the use of definite article? When the sentence is specific. For examples, apples, I said that I bought them. जो apple हम लाए means that particular apple, so we will use the. Second is we are using in case of unique cases. For example, the sun. Sun is unique in itself, so we are using the. Reference to any race or species. Means जब कोई race या species होगी, then also we are using definite article the. For example, any race that is Chinese, American, Indian, we are using the. Next is any species like sparrow, pigeon, any animal name, we are using the, that is definite article. And any some countries, in case of countries also, for example the United States, we can take India. Any country name we are taking definite article as determiner. Now next come zero article. Zero article means, now next is zero article. Zero article means no article is used. So many words are there in which we are not using any article. So in that case we are saying that zero article. बहुत सारे ऐसे words होते हैं जिनमें हम कोई article use नहीं करते. For example, certain times of day. पूरे दिन के कुछ certain times. For example, daybreak, afternoon, evening, any time we can take. Now next, days of the week. For example, Thursday, Monday. In this we are not using any article. Week's name, for example, Thursday, Friday. Month's name, January, February, March. Years means in 2016, 2018, any year. Festivals, on New Year's, on Diwali, any new occasion. Meal times means at lunch, at dinner. Now generic mention of substances, for example sugar, salt, जो कि basic substances हैं. Then materials, for example silk, cotton, we are not using any article. Subjects or concepts, physics, chemistry, mathematics, any subject name or any concept like democracy. Then general purpose of places or institutions, for example school, hospital or any university. We are not using any article in that case. Now second determiners is possessives. Possessives show that something belongs to someone. जब किसी चीज़ को कोई belong करता है, for example my, मेरा, your, तुम्हारा, her and his for उसका, its for non-living things, our and their. So these come under possessives, which are type of determiner. Example, my home, my is possessive, your name, your possessive is used, her book, her is possessive, which is a type of determiner, his manner, his is used, its habitat, a pet, their family. So in these all examples we have seen key possessives are used, which shows that it belongs to someone. Now next, third one is demonstratives. Demonstrative means which is pointed mention, means which we are mentioning something. This and that we are using for singular noun, and these and those we are using for plural noun. Let's take examples. This door for singular, that shop also for singular. This and that which we have seen, these are example of demonstratives. Now next, these ducks and those birds, these or those are demonstrative. These or those यहाँ demonstrative हैं, which are using for the plural nouns, ducks and birds. Now fourth one is quantifiers. What are quantifiers? Quantifiers are also used as a pointed mention, but it is used to indicate any quantity or amount. जब किसी चीज़ का measure या amount को हमको indicate करना होता है, then we are using quantifiers. For example, few, many, a little, several, a lot of, some, every, each, a part of, a number of, a great deal of, whole, all, a bit of, most of. So these all are quantifiers which we are using for different nouns according to the sentences. Now let us see few words with which we are using these quantifiers. There are so many examples you can see. Few men means कुछ लोग, many cities, बहुत सारी cities, a little salt, a little we are using is quantifier, several dishes. Stop. Now next determiner is quantifiers. What are quantifiers? It is also used for pointed mention. Now what is that? Indicate quantity or amount. जब भी हम किसी amount को या measurement के लिए किसी quantity को use करते हैं, then we are using quantifiers. For example, there are so many quantifiers are there. Few, many, a little, several, a lot of, some, every, each, a part of, a number of, a great deal of, whole, all, a bit of, most of. Now let us take examples. Few men, कुछ लोग, many cities, बहुत सारी cities, a little salt, थोड़ा सा salt, several dishes, बहुत सारी dishes, a lot of drama, some courage, every member means हर एक member, each patient, हर एक patient, a part of menu means menu का कोई part, a number of guests, a great deal of damage means very much damage. So a great deal of, then each, every, few, many, these all are quantifiers. The whole is quantifier. All participants, here all is quantifier. A bit of luck, a bit of is quantifier, and most of people में most क्या है? Quantifier. So all these are the example of quantifiers which come under determiners. Now fifth type of determiner is interrogatives. What are interrogatives? To ask specific questions. When we are asking any question, then it comes interrogatives. Means we are using interrogatives when we are asking specific questions. For example, what, which, whose, where, any interrogative we can use and it comes under determiners. For example, what color, which room, whose place. What, which and whose. These all are interrogatives which comes under heading determiners. Now the last sixth one is ordinals. What are ordinals? टू शो सीक्वेंस और ऑर्डर. जब भी हम किसी का सीक्वेंस या ऑर्डर बताते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, लास्ट, नेक्स्ट, अदर, अनदर, प्रीवियस, सो दीज आर कम्स अंडर ऑर्डिनल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट रैंक, सेकेंड चांस, लास्ट वर्ड, नेक्स्ट ट्रेन, अदर लेग, अनदर रूट, previous turn. So these all are ordinals like first, second, chance, last, next, other, another, which are all used with the different nouns and it comes under determiners. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.